Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions tutorial video. In this video I'll explain what you need to do if when querying an external table you get an error message instead of the actual data. Basically you should just run this procedure, Azure.procFixAllExternalTables. Now if you want to understand how that works, keep listening. So external tables sit in your database in a very similar way to normal tables, as in they sit in the information schema dot columns table and information schema dot tables and everything else with exactly the same data: table name, column name, data type, all the rest of it. When you create an external table, it makes a copy of the data types and the column names, etc., from the underlying table. If the underlying table changes, any external tables in other people's databases, like your one, do not also change. To change them, you need to recreate the external table. And that you do that by running this, which simply runs this for each table that is different. The way it works out which tables are different is it compares this view, which is the information schema.columns in your database, to this view, which is the information schema.columns in the underlying database. And it just remakes the external tables for the ones that are different. And that's it, really. Thank you.